Phonics song. What do you see? A fish swimming fast in the deep blue sea. F, come swim with me. Let's dive into the letter F with glee. F, so much fun. Learning F for everyone. Clap your fins and follow along. Sing the happy F word song. Effie fence and follow along. Sing the happy F word song. A funny frog goes a ribbit all day, jumping and leaping in a froggy way. He finds a feather, what a surprise. He waves it up to the sunny skies. A fan goes whir on a summer noon, spooning round like a big balloon. Cool and breezy, hear it blow. Earth is fresh, now you mow. A fire truck zooms with flashing light, saving the day with all its might. Woo, wee, woo, down the street, helping friends is really sweet. It's so much fun, learning arts for everyone. Flap your things and follow along. Sing the happy F word song. It's for fun, hooray, hooray! Let's find more arts and play all day.
Thanks for watching and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like and share.